Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Lincoln key fob battery. Okay, actually it's used for also for a Ford Taurus 2009, 2012, and Lincoln MKS 2009, 2012, and Lincoln MKT 2010, 2012, and more, but these are the most common one. Very easy. So this is an original one. Okay. So the first thing we do, we take the emergency key out by pressing this button right here. We take the emergency key out. Okay, this is uncut, a blank one. You probably have a cut one. Anyway, now we have to take the cover off, and we do that by inserting the key right here into this space. Okay, very gently. So we're just gonna press it and pull up. Okay, I'll do it again just to show you. Alright, so we have this piece right here. We press and we pull up. Alright, now we take it off. So as you can see, the battery is a CR2032. You can click on the link below to get it online. Very common battery. What we have to do now is just to take it out, okay? And then, this is a good one obviously, so I will use it again, but you put it like that, you will see it will catch, and it just stays in place, okay? Once again, take the battery out. Don't play with this inside. And you just put it back in. Pretty easy. Now all we have to do is just to put the cover back. Like that. And of course the emergency key. Now you don't have to reprogram it or anything. You're good to go. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.